If your Kia Sportage is sitting dead in the driveway, don't call the tow truck just yet. Statistically, over a third of these issues are caused by a simple battery failure or poor terminal connection. Let's walk through the diagnostic process to find exactly what is stopping your engine. Always start with the basics like gear position and key fob battery before moving to complex parts. Listen closely when you turn the key. A single click often points to a failing starter motor. If the engine cranks but won't fire, you likely have a fuel delivery or sensor issue. Know when to handle it in your garage and when it's time to visit a certified technician. Repair costs vary wildly, from a $100 battery to a $600 fuel pump. An OBD2 scanner is your best friend for finding hidden sensor failures quickly. Keep these basic tools in your Sportage to avoid being stranded by a minor electrical glitch. Remember, even a small amount of corrosion can prevent your Sportage from drawing enough power to start. Check your battery first and you'll be back on the road in no time. See you next time.